Hi, my name is Natasha Oviero, and today I will be talking to you about digital citizenship. Specifically, what does it look like to be a good digital citizen today? And also, I will discuss what we should teach our students about using technology appropriately. What is digital citizenship? Digital citizenship is the norms of appropriate, responsible technology use. Today, our students are learners in the 21st century. That means that they are digital learners and need to know how to have digital citizenship. Many schools and districts have one-to-one initiatives. The school I currently work at has a policy where each student is provided with one digital device. In my classroom, each student has their own Lenovo Chromebook, which we use every day. A good digital citizen knows the rights and responsibilities of being online. As educators in the 21st century, it is our job to teach our students how to be good digital citizens. There are 9 themes that exhibit a good digital citizen. I will be focusing on 5 of the most important themes and what we should teach our students about using technology appropriately. The first is digital access, which is the full electronic participation in society. Today, our students need to have access, also to advocate for the need for digital access for all learners. It's also our responsibility as educators to advocate for our students that they will have digital access. The second is digital communication, which is an electronic exchange of information. In the past, learners would communicate in different ways, but in the 21st century, students need to learn how to be good digital citizens and communicate appropriately online. They also need to learn the different facets of communicating online, whether that's blogs, emails, or video conferencing or video chats. The third is digital etiquette, which is electronic standards of conduct or procedures. Students need to know the different types of etiquette and how to be digital learners online and be responsible and be respectful to those who they interact with in the digital world. They also need to have digital etiquette and treat their device or their technology with respect. It's important that we have our students learn the digital rights and responsibilities, which are those freedoms extended to everyone in the digital world. So they need to know that there is rights to freedom of speech and rights to use technology, but that with those rights comes great responsibility. And it's important to teach our students about being safe online and to avoid cyberbullying, or if they were ever affected by that, to have the right outlet to access help for those issues. The final theme that I wanted to discuss was digital security. It's important to have students be good digital citizens by being safe online. It's important that we teach them the electronic precautions to guarantee that safety. That means password security, using safe sites. And that's something that we need to teach our students. P21's framework for the 21st century learning has student outcomes for learning. And the hope is that if we teach our students to be good digital citizens, we can also teach them how to use technology appropriately. And there will be different outcomes that come about from being a good digital citizen and working with technology. The first is that they'll have content knowledge in 21st century themes. The second is that they'll have learning and innovation skills. The third is that they'll have information, media, and technology skills. And the hope is that with all these things, they'll have life and career skills. There are different websites for teaching students how to be good digital citizens and what it means to be a good digital citizen today. One great website is BrainPop. If your school has a subscription to BrainPop, you can use this to teach your students good digital citizenship. They'll teach you things like conflict resolution as well as digital etiquette. It's important for the students to know the rights and responsibilities of copyright information, as well as digital safety and cyberbullying. Overall, our students are learning in the 21st century, and it's important that they know what it means to be a good digital citizen and those 9 themes, 5 of which I really focused on. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope that it was helpful to you teaching your students digital citizenship.